Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you just two websites you can make money online fast, easy, and just you need to have a laptop and network connection and internet. I know about the other websites other YouTubers talking about. I don't want to say those websites doesn't work, but they has so much long process, and if you want to make money fast, for example in the maximum 3 days, you have to use these two websites, which is I use it, and I think just these websites working on. So if you want to know about that websites, please first of all subscribe my channel and continue watching this video to the end. First website I want to talk about is upwork.com. So with this website, which is now I'm getting start to show you how to sign in and how to use this website. So you just need to click upwork.com and going to the sign up page, look like that, and you need to sign in up Google account or Apple ID account. It doesn't matter which account you have, so just it will create an account really fast and easy for you. After that, you can just click and search what you can do exactly in this website. For example, I can just typing the data into the Word or spreadsheet or some stuff like that. I just clicking here data entry. It will bring me the jobs employer needed to type. First thing you need to make sure about is the payment verifications. For the jobs who doesn't have the payment verifications, please don't apply for that at all. That's why you're just spending your time. It's a spam at all. Let's take a look. I just want the data entry in Excel, and I just click on this job, and after that copy paste data below to the specific number and some blah blah blah. This job will be paid at $25 fixed price, and it show us what exactly wanted and the price over here and the attachments. It's an example the employer want to do that project like this. You can submit your proposal here with this button. Click the submit proposal, and after that with your general profile, I will tell about that profile later. Okay, $25, $5 for Upwork, and $20 is your receiving money. How long? You can just click in less than amount and copy this example text to submit the proposal. And after that your proposal is sent to the employer. So just you need to waiting for the employer to answer your request. Yes, you can create a profile for each experience you have. If you are editor, if you are, I don't know, artist, if you are a graphist, if you are a filmmaker, or every stuff you can do, you can create a profile with each of them, and with this profile apply to that job. And it's really easy, and I think just this website working. That's why I'm moving to this website as a freelancer, because the website, which is called as a freelancer.com, it really doesn't work at all. And I tried to send a proposal to so much people, but all of them was a spam, and I cannot understand which is a spam and which is not. And I really don't use this website anymore. Today I'm going to share this website with you. Maybe you can find a job, and maybe you can make money online as fast as you can, and it just depends on your experience and the time you spend in these websites to find a job. So next website I want to talk about, it's an Amazon affiliate program. You just need to copy a link from Amazon and put it to your websites, to your YouTube channel, to your, I don't know, email, and send it to your friends. To people click and go and buy this product from Amazon, and Amazon will be paying you up to 10% commission for that product. It's really easy and simple, and you can advertising from that products to your websites, to your every social media you have. Maybe someone go and buy this app and buy this product. And it's really easy, you know. You just need to click here Amazon affiliate program, go to this website, and after that it looks like the previous websites. You just need to sign in by Google or Apple ID, all that stuff like that. And you can just click here and going to the product links, and after that find the product you're interested. For example, I interested to the camera and photos. Okay, let's go to find this product for me. For example, this camera which it has here, and it was $49, and now change it to $39. You can just click to the get a link, and after that, if you have a website or some blogs, you can put the product with image. If you don't have this website, you can just click the text only and go to the short link and copy this link. And after that, I'm going to put it in my YouTube channel. For example, I can click here and click this product over here. And if someone going to watch my videos, and after that clicking to this link, and one person is going to buy the product, I will be get the money, I will be get a commission from the Amazon. I think it's really simple. It's a passive income, you know. You don't need to stay somewhere and working hard to make money. It's useful. You can send it by email to your friends and some stuff like that. Please don't think I just know these two websites. That's why I want to make money for myself online at home with my laptops just and my network connections. I found about 20 websites and they doesn't work for the short time, for maximum 3 days. Hope this video will be helpful for the people who want to make money fast. So at the end, please once again hit the subscribe button, and if you know other websites look like that websites I introduced, please leave it in the comment below and maybe I'm going to create a video for it. That's all. Thank you to watching to the end of this video. Bye.